uncover the meaning, an eyesore, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, an eyesore. This term pops up quite often in both written and spoken English, and understanding it will not only boost your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English expressions. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. An eyesore is a common English phrase used to describe something that is very ugly or unpleasant to look at. The word eye refers to your ability to see, and sore, in this context means a source of pain or distress. So, when combined, an eyesore literally suggests something that hurts the eye because it's so unattractive. It's not a physical pain but a metaphorical one, indicating that the sight of it is displeasing. Now that you know what an eyesore means, let's see how to use it in sentences. It's typically used as a noun. For example, the abandoned building at the end of the street is such an eyesore. They considered the new construction in the old town to be an eyesore because it disrupted the historic look of the area. Remember, when calling something an eyesore, you're expressing a strong opinion that it's very ugly or spoils the look of a place. To give you a better understanding, let's put an eyesore into context with some examples. In urban planning meetings, residents might complain about billboards being an eyesore. A homeowner might refer to a neighbor's poorly maintained lawn as an eyesore in the community. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios, always referring to something unsightly. It can be helpful to know other words with similar meanings to an eyesore. Some synonyms include blot on the landscape, monstrosity, blemish, eyespot. Using synonyms can add variety to your English and help you make your conversation or writing more interesting. I hope this video clears up what an eyesore means and how you can use it in everyday English. Now, when you come across something that's not so pleasing to the eye, you have the perfect phrase to describe it. Keep practicing, and you'll be adding more and more useful phrases to your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.